So I was recently down at the Garden Press event in London, and luckily managed to chat to a few personalities, a few influencers, got around the show and saw a few great new brands and new products. The first of which is the Little Birdhouse, which is a birdseed new business based on sustainability, local suppliers, that sort of thing. So here's my interview with Liam. So I'm at the Little Birdhouse stand with Liam, and Liam's going to tell us a bit about this new product.
So the Little Birdhouse is a new brand that the Harvest team has been hard at working for the past 12 months. So at Harvest we've been going for about 25 years now, and what we pride ourselves on is it being a family-run business. So I am lucky to be a fourth generation family member. So collectively between us all we've got over 125 years worth of experience in the wild bird industry. And then with the Little Birdhouse, what we've done is we've worked like our backsides off for the past 12 months to be able to source the best possible product for the customers. So we use local farmers to get all of our ingredients, to make sure they're the best. We trial everything before we actually send it off or package it, so we know that we're actually packing the amount of times we change recipes is unreal, because we want to actually give the best product out possible.
Who comes up with the recipes?
So that'll be our technical team.
Right.
So they all decide on the recipes, the percentages of what you're supposed to put in.
Yeah.
And then we kind of go from there, and we tweak things. We're always looking to get 1% better every day, is what we pride ourselves on as well. But again, going back to the Little Birdhouse, we pride ourselves on the community as well. So locally sourcing our ingredients and even the packaging from a local artist who's done an absolutely amazing job on the packaging. And honestly, we're so excited to just be here at the Garden Press event revealing the Little Birdhouse here.
Excellent. So where can the public expect to be able to buy this product?
So on our social medias, that'll be coming soon, because like I said, we are launching this brand today. Right. So we're going to try get it out into the groceries, garden centres, and e-commerce will definitely be one going forward. So keep your eyes peeled out for it.
Great stuff. Thanks, Liam.
Perfect. Thank you.